Welcome to On the Beat, everyone. I'm over here with Robert White from Robert's Apothecary, and today we're talking about cholesterol treatment alternatives. I find this fascinating because I have high cholesterol and have been on cholesterol pills maybe 15 years. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Thank you.
I didn't realize that there were other alternatives apart from prescription cholesterol medication.
There are some herbals that do well to help lower cholesterol. Fish oil, pharmaceutical grade, will help to lower elevated cholesterol levels. Bragg's apple cider vinegar and honey will help to lower
Really? Mixing that
cholesterol.
Together?
Mix the vinegar and the honey together. And
What's the only way to have the vinegar?
yes.
Let me tell you, I've tried that vinegar. It was a diet, something on diet and vinegar, and I was like,
yes.
Didn't work for me.
Yeah.
It was too much.
Yeah.
That's interesting you say that. Now, I would assume we shouldn't be going off our prescription medication without doctor acknowledging what you're suggesting.
Exactly. If someone comes into the pharmacy, they have a prescription for one of those statin drugs, and I say, Robert, my cholesterol is 295, and I've been to my doctor and his prescription, and I need to get it down. Fill the prescription, then we fill the prescription, don't say a word. If that same patient or another patient comes in with the prescription and the same story and say, I don't want to take this statin drug because I've heard of too many people with side effects.
Right.
Do you have anything that will work that won't cause those side effects? And we do have some alternatives there that work without causing the problems that statins sometimes do.
Okay, that's it. I would like to delve a little bit deeper in that.
Sure.
Is when that process is happening, are you in conjunction with calling the doctor, the GP, before you are recommending? And what natural remedies, are they natural remedies? Like the fish oil is a natural product, I would
That's a
assume.
natural product.
So what are you recommending as an example, just purely as an example, if someone was on the rosustatin, 40 milligrams?
Well, if you wanted to try something else, there's a wonderful product called Heart Savior. It has like 6 different ingredients, one of which is red yeast rice, which is the natural source of these statin drugs.
Oh.
But it doesn't have the muscle aches and pains and fatigue that you get with the prescription synthetic statin drugs. And we've seen really good results. Many will take that, they go back to get a recheck in 3 months on their cholesterol, and the vast majority, it will be down into a normal range that's acceptable to the doctor.
Really?
Really.
I find that fascinating because I don't want to be on my medicated cholesterol pills. I'd love to be able to go back to my doctor now and say, what about these alternatives? How do the the general GP population feel about this?
Some are perfectly fine with it, and others do not want any of their patients to do anything that they didn't tell them to do.
Okay.
So
how do you get past that as our local pharmacist?
That's between that patient and his or her physician.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you be taking too much fish oil?
You can, but it's difficult.
Right.
Like I normally recommend around 2,000 milligrams a day of fish oil. Most people who come in pharmacy are already taking it. I say, how much are you taking? They say, oh, I'm taking 1,000 milligrams. I say, well, that's subtherapeutic. It's really not doing much.
I wish I had more time to talk about this even more. Will you come back and discuss more about it?
Sure.
Because I think it's amazing and I want to know. In fact, I might even just come into the shop.
Sure.
How's that sound? That's what you need to do as well, everyone. Head over to Robert's Apothecary is the place that they're going to take care of you on helping you lower your cholesterol treatment with alternatives. I love that. All the information's up on the screen. Back after this short break.